In today's video, I'm going to teach you creative ways to use Microsoft Word beyond plain documents. Before we get started, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions. Microsoft Word isn't just for reports and letters. Its formatting, design, and layout tools make it a surprisingly powerful creative studio. Let's start with design and desktop publishing. For flyers, brochures, and invitations, turn on columns to structure your content, then build with shapes, icons, and images. Use the alignment guides to keep everything neat, and try text wrapping around photos for a polished look. Consistent color themes and fonts go a long way. If you're printing, check your margins and paper size to make sure everything fits exactly as intended. For newsletters, the multi-column feature keeps text readable while leaving space for photos and callouts. Apply styles to headlines and subheads for a consistent design, and add headers, footers, and page numbers so multi-page issues feel cohesive. Word's built-in templates can jump-start the layout, and you can customize them to match your brand. Creating postcards and labels is easy when you set a custom page size. Design the front and back of a postcard on separate pages, or use mailings, labels to pick common label sheets and design stickers or mailing labels. Print a test page on plain paper first to confirm alignment before using specialty paper. For ebooks and booklets, start with a cover page, apply heading styles, and let Word generate a table of contents automatically. Insert page numbers, add hyperlinks for easy navigation, and when you're done, export to PDF for a professional, shareable file. If you're printing a booklet, choose the booklet layout in print settings for proper page order. Resumes and portfolios shine when you balance clarity with design. You can use templates or build from scratch with clean headings, subtle lines, and carefully placed images of your work. Keep fonts consistent, use white space to guide the eye, and export to PDF for sharing. Moving to interactive and functional creations, the Developer tab gives you content controls like checkboxes, drop-downs, and text fields for digital forms users can fill out directly. Lock parts of the document to protect your layout, then share the form electronically. For crossword puzzles, insert a table to create the grid, merge cells as needed, and use fill color to block out unused squares. Add text boxes for clues and number your grid cells for clarity. To visualize information, insert greater than SmartArt and shapes provide flowcharts and diagrams with connectors and themes. Group shapes when your diagram is set. Finally, build custom calendars with a simple table. Add dates, insert images, or apply a faint watermark for style. With these techniques, Word becomes a versatile creative toolkit, far beyond plain typing. If this tutorial helped you, give the video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. Don't forget to subscribe for more productivity tips and Notion tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.